Santa Cruz Mountains and people are enjoying the white blanket in their backyards, but it's not all smiles. Icy roads pose dangerous driving conditions. So let's take you live near Los Gatos in the mountains where our Lauren Toms is at. And Lauren, it's not snow on the beach, but it's still pretty beautiful, huh?
That is so true, Amanda. The sun is just starting to come up here in the Santa Cruz Mountains, giving us a better look at the snowfall that we've seen over the last couple of hours. Right now, we are just off of Highway 17. Behind me, you can see these morning commuters making their way on, like you mentioned, these relatively dangerous roads. It is chilly, it is wet out here, but just in the last couple of minutes, the snow has started to let up. So right now we're not seeing any snowfall, but in the last hour we did see a pretty significant amount, enough to stick to surfaces and trees, definitely enough for a snowball. But I'm going to step out of the way to give you a better look at what we're seeing here in the Santa Cruz Mountains. Amanda, it is looking like a winter wonderland this morning. We are getting these images of snowfall on these treetops, on the sidewalks. If you can see these snow-dusted trees, but again, these damp and chilly conditions are creating some pretty dangerous roads this morning. You can see commuters making their way to work. Now, this morning we have also seen a handful of crews. We've seen snowplow crews. We've also seen police escorting people safely up Highway 17. But for now, people are definitely appreciating this winter wonderland scene that we have out here in the Santa Cruz Mountains.